This was our last day in Murphy, and we decided to take Kalahari and Toby on a hike. They had so much fun.
Good morning, guys. Lens is dirty. We're about to go hiking. Take the dogs out for a walk somewhere in the state park. See what we can find.
The drive to our first hike took about 30 minutes, and the dogs were really enjoying the trip. We're at Cherokee Lake in Murphy, North Carolina. Hopefully there's some stuff to see, because we already saw the lake.
Come on. Alright, so the hike trail that we came to is a little shorter. So we're gonna go see if we can find another one. Take the boys out.
The hike was so amazing, and we decided to let the dogs off leash and let them just have fun.
After the two hikes, we decided to keep exploring. We went on about an hour drive into Tennessee to go find some waterfalls.
And our first stop was at a spectacular waterfalls called Bold River Falls.
This is the first time that all of us got to experience a waterfall together. And as you can see, Toby was having way more fun than any of the rest of us. Dogs, what are we gonna do with them? We're all wet.
Look at Toby.
Go, just go.
Look at
Toby, are you rolling away?
Trying to take a video of the waterfall from a different angle over here. We just left the waterfall. That was fun. Toby and Kalahari were jumping in the water. That was good. They were able to do that.
Toby sucked. Passed out. They smell like doggies. Yeah. Toby's much more adventurous than Kalahari.
Yeah.
Kalahari's like cautious.
It's good that they're having fun though.
And on our road trips, we always seem to find some amazing places on the side of the roads that we can take pictures on. Like
We stopped at this lookout point.
It's kind of random because it's like the one part of the trip where we've been up this high.
Yeah. It's funny how they have a cell phone tower like below the trees, like right over there.
We have no cell phone service anymore.
They should have put it up here.
I can't find a brewery because I have no cell phone service. It's a problem. Once we left the waterfalls, we were on a mission to find some wine before the sunset, but it's always tricky when you're in a rural area. So the problem is, when you leave any area in Murphy, North Carolina, or the Tennessee areas we've been in, you're screwed because there's nothing. You just drive and drive and drive and drive and drive, and you drive on all these windy roads, and there's nothing, like not even a gas station. So, I don't know if we're gonna find wine. We might have to go all the way to Walmart. What do you think?
Yeah, because in three miles we're gonna turn into our street.
For real?
Yep.
There's definitely no wine.
Yeah.
Kalahari, what do you think?
Kalahari's stressed
Kalahari,
out.
do you know where there's wine? What's your brother doing? Laying all sprawled out?
We're on a wine mission. We have to drive like many miles to just to find a wine, a bottle of wine.
We have wine in the back seat, but we don't want to drink it.
Oh, we have wine in the back seat that we bought in.
St. Augustine.
Yeah.
We're not drinking it.
I guess we're not drinking it.
Expensive.
Yeah.
Derek promised if I bought it, we would drink it
so we're going, I think, more than 10 miles to go get a bottle of wine out here. So we don't know where we're going, but I guess we'll figure it out.
We out here.
We're out here, baby. We're out here. So it's official. We found some wine. So we drove.
$4 more than in Florida.
Yeah.
The wine.
We drove close to about 15 miles just to get a bottle of wine. Boys.
In 200 feet, turn sharp left onto US 64.
Okay, Nancy. Whoa.
The Floridians.
That's Florida?
Florida, like.
We're gonna go home for sunset.
Yeah. So now we're beating the sunset. Yeah, we made it in good time for sunset. And the sunset was just over that mountain.
Thanks for a minute.